We are at 6346 Pebble Creek Lodge in Las Vegas. This house has 2 bedrooms and a large loft.
It also has a large living area and a breakfast bar for entertaining.
I love this kitchen because it has an island, it also has room for a dining room, and it does have the wine fridge. So let us go ahead and show you the whole house. We're gonna jump right in. This property comes with all the stainless steel appliances. It is 1,400 square feet and it has a wonderful courtyard out front.
This home is located in an HOA with an HOA due of $50.
I love the location of this property. We are right by Red Rock, so if you guys like to hike, we're about 15 minutes from Red Rock, and we're about approximately 15 minutes from the airport if you guys like to travel.
And we're near the Durango Hotel and the Uncommons, very close to lots of restaurants and a lot of things to do.
So we're gonna go ahead and recap. This property has 2 bedrooms, a large loft, upgraded kitchen, and a cute courtyard. So if you want to know more about this property or anything else, you can call us, text us, email us, however you want to get a hold of us. We're here to help you in any way possible. And with that said, you guys make it a blessed day.